Hey, this is Kari. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short video. Today I'm going to teach you how to modify or change a sun salutation using a round of cat-cow instead of plank to upward facing dog. Some days when we're practicing our yoga and we're taking sun salutations, maybe we're just not in the mood to take plank pose, or maybe we're just trying to take it down a notch. It really doesn't matter why. What matters is that you have alternative ways in your back pocket that you can modify or change a sun salutation to fit the energy and focus of your practice for that day. So let me show you how it goes. Step to the top of your mat. Take your feet in a comfortable position. That might be hip width. Personally, I like to leave room for my thighs, so I like to keep my feet hip width distance. If it feels good to put your big toes touching, you can do that too. Start by dropping your arms by your sides. Lift your shoulders up, roll them down your back, and find a neutral position in your spine. With an inhaled breath, reach your arms up over your head. Exhale, bow forward, soften at the knees, bring your hands to the floor, let your head fall. Halfway lift, press your palms into your shins, draw your shoulder blades into your spine and stretch the crown of your head forward. Take a big breath in. Come to all fours with your exhaled breath. Inhale, take cow pose, lift your heart. Exhale, cat pose. Push the floor away, round your upper back. Come back to a neutral tabletop. Downward facing dog. Lift your tailbone to the sky. Set your eyes between your toes. Soften your knees. And breathe. Pick up your heels. Bend your knees, look forward, step to the top of your mat. Halfway lift, inhale. Bow forward, exhale. Breathe in, reach up. Bow forward, exhale. Halfway lift, inhale. Come to all fours with your exhale. Lift your chest, look up. Exhale, round your back, tuck your chin to your chest. Come back to a neutral tabletop. Downward facing dog. Breath in. Breath out. Pick up your heels, bend your knees, look forward, step to the top. Halfway lift, inhale. Forward fold, exhale. High mountain pose, breathe in. Fold forward, breathe out. Halfway lift, breath in. Come down to all fours. Inhale, cow pose. Exhale, cat pose. Inhale to a neutral spine. Down dog, exhale. Breath in. Breath out. Pick up your heels, bend your knees, look forward, step to the top. Halfway lift, inhale. Forward fold, exhale. So there you have it. You can substitute cat-cow for really anything. Plank pose to up dog, and you can just keep that same flow and energy of moving with your breath and your body by just inserting cat-cow or doing something else that makes you feel more comfortable and more in line with the energy that you're trying to create in your practice today. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe if you want to hear more tips like this about how to modify or change your vinyasa yoga practice. I hope you found this useful, and I'll see you next time.